Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8722. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 10 more, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Let me check. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes then? I see here only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Let me mark those. Do not know in which order. More quadra boxes here. No. Well, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. Rotated this T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, this one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And the last shape, I believe, yes, this shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. It's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So another solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Right. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Wow. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. Then this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 there. If I place the 4 here, then this box is connected with that box. So we also have 4. But we already have 4 here. So not the solution to place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Alright. Then. Let me see. Let me see. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. It's not easy, this one. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. Well, I don't think this box should be a 4. If this box is a 4, then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. But we already have a 4 here. So not a solution to place the 4 there. Should be a 5. That box should be a 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. Is also connected with this box, should be also a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes, definitely 4. This box give me 3, so 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 5 because we have a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Alright. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This one is connected with that box, should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 4 goes there. Then this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. Also, the same box can be a 5. Again, this box can be 4. This box can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. So I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. Alright, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Well, this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Well. Overlook this 5. We have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be 5, and this box should be a 4. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. I need a 2, need a 3 here. This box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left on 3. In this area, it's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright, and now I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, is connected with that box, should be so 1, mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1, this box can't be 1 anymore, we have a 1 here, so that box should be a 1, mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1, we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.